Okay, so let's take a look at SPM year 2019, paper 2, questions number 4. So diagram 2 shows the curve y equals to 4x minus x squared and the tangent to the curve at point Q passes point P. So this is diagram 2, and we were asked to show that h is equal to 3 and calculate the area of the shaded region. So shaded region is over here, and part B we have 4 marks, part A we have 4 marks. Total we have 8 marks for this question number 4. So let's take a look at first part, part A. Show that h is equal to 3. So h is over here, and then h is on x-axis. That means y is equal to 0. And then we notice that Q is directly above h. And then Q is the intersection point between this straight line and this curve y equals to 4x minus x squared. So in other words, if we can find the coordinate of Q, we can get h. We can prove that h is equal to 3. So in order for us to find Q, we need to solve the straight line and the curve simultaneously. Then we can find the coordinate of Q, and then we get h. Right? So we know that the equation of the curve is y equals to 4x minus x squared. So the coordinate of Q would be coordinate of Q will be, we express it in the terms of h, right? So Q, the coordinate of x will be h, right? When x is equal to h, then y will be equals to 4h minus h squared, isn't it? We just substitute the x equals to h into these equations of the curve, right? So now that we know the coordinate of Q will be h and 4h minus h squared, and we can find the gradient of the tangent at point Q. So the gradient of tangent at point Q would be dy dx. We differentiate the equation of the curve, and we will get 4 minus 2x. Okay, at point Q, it will become 4 minus 2h, right? So we have the gradient, we have these 2 points, we can form a equation of straight line, right? So equation of straight line PQ would be 4h minus h squared minus 5 bracket, and then h minus 2 equals to the gradient. So the gradient is 4 minus 2h, right? So this 4h minus h squared, we got it from coordinate of Q. And then this h, I got it from coordinate of Q as well. And then this 5, I got it from coordinate of P, okay? And then this 2, I got it from here, the 2 over here. And then now we can cross multiply, and we will get 4h minus h squared minus 5. And then this h minus 2 multiply 4 minus 2h, I will get 4h minus 8 minus 2h squared plus 4h. And then we rearrange it, we will get h squared minus 4h plus 3 equals to 0. Then we can factorize it. So it will become h minus 1, h minus 3. So h is equal to 1 or h is equal to 3. Okay, however, h is over here. So we know that h is greater than 2 because 2 is here. So from the diagram, therefore from diagram, we know that h must be greater than 2. Therefore, h is equal to 3. So we prove it. Okay, proven. Okay, then for question B, calculate the area of the shaded region. So shaded region is over here. Okay, do you notice that this is a trapezium? From the x-axis to point P, x-axis to point Q is a parallel line. So this is a trapezium. So the area of the trapezium minus the area of the curve and the x-axis, then we get this shaded region, isn't it? So for part B, area of shaded region is equal to A trapezium. Area of trapezium is half base plus height. Okay, half of this one plus this one multiply the height. So half, what is the length of from the x-axis to the P point is 0 to 5. Okay, so 5 plus, how about here? H, the x-axis to Q will be 3. Okay, how do I know it's 3? It is because here, right, 4h minus h squared. So we know that h is equal to 3, then this will be 4 times 3, 12 minus 3 squared will be 9. 12 minus 9, I get 3. So I know that the length from the x-axis to the Q point is 3. So 5 plus 3. And then what will be the height? The height is from here, 2 to h. h is equal to 3, so this is 1. Minus the area of the curve bounded, or the area between the curve and the x-axis. So we need to integrate from where to where? From 2 to h. h is 3, so 2 to 3. Then y dx. Okay, so half multiply 5 plus 3 multiply 1. I will get 4 at here. So integrate from 2 to 3. Y. Y is equal to 4x minus x squared. 4x minus x squared dx. So 4 minus, we integrate 4x, I'll get 2x squared. We integrate x squared, I'll get minus x cubed over 3. Then 3 and 2. I substitute 3 and 2 into this one, I will get 4 minus, when I substitute 3 into x, I will get 3 squared is 9. 9 multiply 2, I get 18. Minus 3 cubed over 3, it will be 9. Minus 2 multiply 2 squared, I will get 8. Minus 2 cubed over 3, it will be 8 over 3. Then you press your calculator, in the end I will get 1 over 3 unit square. Right, so that's all for now. I'll see you next time.